Hi Steve,
All right,
so Darren's run through the ALC range. What can you tell us about the VN range?
So the VN range is the entry-level wire machine. It's still very capable. I'd say probably 70% of EDM parts could still be done on a VN. We still have exactly the same auto wire feed system as the ALC, so it's not like it's cheaper and you're not getting good quality. It's still very accurate AWT, and the control is still the same as the ALC.
Okay, so that gives us continuity across the whole Sodick wire cut range. So, for example, if you have a large ALC 600 or 800 maybe, and you're looking for some small jobbing machines, the VN sort of sits in that area, doesn't it? But having the rest assurance that every part on that machine is identical.
Yes, yeah.
Okay, and also there's a large presence of ceramic here as well, isn't there?
Yes, within the table, yeah.
Yeah, okay. So what can you tell me about the onboard control, Steve? What makes it user-friendly, and what's the application you're doing? So,
again, it's the same as that, so it's quite easy to use within the two machines. You can input a DXF, no problem. So even if you are using Visi, you can still use the machine offline or online. You can still work with a DXF straight on here and program on the machine.
Okay, that's beneficial. So if a customer comes in, you don't need to program offline. You can put the DXF in, you can take the geometry, or if you can work in the background offline and then load onto the control.
Or worst case, if you wanted to literally draw something up from scratch, there's a CAM system on there that you can actually draw from scratch.
Perfect. So quite interestingly, you're doing something unique on here. What are you actually machining, Steve?
So what we're doing the key rings on here. So we're trying to show customers, with nowadays the cost of material getting higher and higher, it's more and more important to nest parts into the material to get the most out of that material. So we're just showing on here, partly way through a job, how we've set it up, how we've pre-drilled it, how we've cut some, and how some parts are chained in for overnight running. Again, some of the features on here have been destructed.
Okay.
So similar to how we were shown on the Visi, that would be a slug normally that would drop out. So what we've decided to do is destruct that completely. So we have continual running throughout the night. And the nice thing is with that as well, you've got no stop or no slug dropping out into the machine. So in the morning, that's all done from parting off the finished part.
Okay, so from a customer point of view, that gives a real advantage because you've not got to worry about any parts dropping, A, into the tank area, or B, any snag points. And lights out machining, again, running overnight, wire threading accurately through several holes, and no potential snags.
Yep.
Okay, fantastic. That's been really good, Steve. So if you want to grab yourself a giveaway bottle opener, there's a few on the machine here and there's a few floating around, all machined on the Sodick machine.